Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Black Plus DECKER laundry organization Expandable, Collapsible Clothes Drying Rack, your ultimate solution for air drying clothes with ease and efficiency. This 100% metal foldable drying rack is perfect for saving electricity and keeping your laundry neatly organized, whether you're at home, camping, or in a trailer. Its stable structure ensures it won't collapse under the weight of multiple garments, and with no tools required for assembly, the accordion design drops open and locks into place effortlessly. When not in use, this space-saving rack folds flat for compact storage, making it easy to tuck away in a closet or next to your washing machine. With a collapsed size of 17 by 21 by 3 inches and a fully expanded size of 30 by 41 by 17 inches, it offers ample space for all your drying needs. Made of durable steel, this lightweight drying rack is easy to move from room to room or even take outdoors. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Black Plus DECKER clothes drying rack and make laundry day a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.